So now that I have my mechanics, one thing that I have not been doing up to now is creating prefabs out of them. Maybe I want to make some particular change and I want that to propagate to all of the other mechanics in the level. It's very important to make sure that this remains modular. So it's really, really simple. It's not going to take that long. All I need to do is find each of my example mechanics, my bumper, just drag it into the prefabs, create a bumper out of it. You'll see it turn blue. Same thing with the jump pad. Same thing with the checkpoint and the kill volume. So now I can delete these out like so. And if I ever want a bumper, I just drag it in. Or if I want a kill volume and so forth. And just remember, this is the blueprints. So this is the example template that all of this is pulling from. I might have several different kill volumes that are not the same size, and that's fine. But just know that if you ever try to reapply, like let's say you say, oh, well, this I have this particular setting on and I want to reapply it to my prefab. Just know that if you reapply that, it's going to apply to all the other ones in your level, and you may not want that. It may screw some stuff up. So just be careful. All your instances are, it's helpful to have different settings on them, different scale factors and so forth. But in general, working with prefabs is the smarter way to do it. But now you have options. So if you want to change the bounce amount of all of your jump pads uniformly, you can just make a few of those. And instead of changing them all individually, you can just go down to your prefab and say, I want all of them to have a 10 bounce. And now when I go back into my scene, they'll all have 10. So that's the useful part of it. Just be aware of that as you're working. But this is how you would create the prefabs, and that gives you a lot of options later on.